I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by organizing clips so smoothing works predictably. Import all footage with the same frame rate and resolution. This prevents jitter from mismatched frames. Once imported, trim to the specific motion you want to stabilize and remove hold frames. Make sure your timeline zoom is close enough to select precise frames. I use 1/2 zoom. Doing these first steps reduces warping and prepares the clip for Capcut smoothing tools. Now you apply Capcut smoothing. Select the clip and open Effects. Pick Smooth or Motion Blur from Basic Effects. Apply at a moderate intensity, around 30 to 50%, because higher values can create ghosting. Then preview at full playback speed to check realism. If motion still looks choppy, add a subtle speed ramp, slow into the motion at 0.5x, then return to normal. This combination reduces perceived stutter while preserving natural movement. To finish, export at the clip's original frame rate to avoid introducing new artifacts. Choose 2-pass encoding if you want cleaner motion. If you still see jitter after smoothing, switch to optical flow or add Capcut stabilization filter for positional correction. Make sure to inspect for ghosting. If you spot overlapping frames or blurs, lower the effect intensity or mask the area and apply smoothing selectively. If problems persist, retrim the clip and repeat with smaller adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.